Thank you for coming with me to Big Lots. And it looks like they're starting to move some of their home decor around. So let's see what we can catch. We have these lanterns in here with the LED lights. These guys are $15. And here they are in the white. Then we get to the owl ones, and I love these. Guys, let's see. I forgot how much they were. Let's see if I can get a price on this tag. These owl ones, guys, are $15. Then you have this one here. Look, you see that? I have the lights on, but I guess it's too bright in here. So these, I'm not sure how much those are. See if I can get a price for you. These guys are $15. Then you have these, a 10. Aren't those cute, those little lanterns? And look at this one, looks like a light bulb. This one here, guys, is $12. Then they have a whole row of some tissue. Then you have these double lanterns. Like, I'm absolutely loving that double lantern right there, and that's $30. They have two of those, and then they have these lanterns right here. Those are $15. The smaller ones are 10. Then you have these orb ones right here. These guys, and like I said, they're LED. These are $15. Then they have the smaller one of those for 10. Guys, I'm absolutely loving them. I don't know if you can see them right through the camera. They are so glam. So these are $12. And then these are the string lights. These are warm white, battery operated. These are $10. These are $12, and they're gorgeous. Then you have these in colors, guys. Okay, I'm just showing them to you. Those are $5.50. Then you have these too. But these guys, oh my goodness, I am just absolutely loving them. I hope you could see why. Then this table lantern here is $12. Then you have these metal globe light sets. Here's the multicolor and here's the silver. Those are $12. Then you have these grape lights, and then you have these kind of lights, the starburst lights. Those are $14. And then I'm absolutely loving this chandelier for outside. I think that's an outside chandelier, yes. And that is $45. And then you have the flower light set right there. And let me see if I can get a price for you. Those are $14. But look at that chandelier for outside, $45, guys. So these are like gorgeous, guys. Look at them. I'm going to show you them right here. So this style right here, and they're Broyhill. So these are $30, guys. Look at them. And then this style right here is also Broyhill, and these are $30. These are much taller. So these are the smaller ones, the same style but smaller. These guys are $20, so for the smaller size. And then you have this style. And this style right here is $15. You have some more over there. Okay, guys, and these are making their way out because the fall stuff is making its way in. So these guys here are $5 a piece, guys. I'm just showing you. You can stick a picture on them. I think they're real cute. Look at this one. This is $4. Yeah, so these are $5 and this one is $4. So then you have these, guys. These are so cute. So this is $12 for that faux arrangement. Okay, that's what these are. Then they have these. These are $4. Okay, for those two styles. Then you have these right here. I'm absolutely loving this one, guys. And look at the coral planter, how they're planted. Okay, even though they're faux, look how nice they are. These are $6. And then these guys are $4. So yeah, these are $4. Then this one in the box right here, guys, this one is $7. And then this long one is my favorite, guys. That's $22, and look at it. I think it's gorgeous. Then they have the loose faux ones, but guys, look at the size of them, and the quality is amazing. So for this pick, this size is $3. Then you have this one. Let me see if I can show you something else. Like, look at this pen. It's not pretty. That one is $3. They're so beautiful, guys. This one is $2. Because that one's a little smaller, and then this one is $2. It's not pretty. Then look at this one, guys. So they have a whole assortment there. These are $2, and then look at this one, and that one is $3. So the real big ones, I mean, these are a nice size. These are $3, and then the slightly smaller ones are $2. I mean, they're huge. Look at them. Guys, I hope you can see that. This is 2. So on the bottom you have a collapsible cooler, I think that is. And then look at these faux plants right here. Aren't they gorgeous? Look at that. I'm loving that stand. So that's $20 for each one of those. And then this black one here, guys, is $14. And then this one, the snake plant. Look, guys, I know that plant. It's a snake plant. And this is in that faux concrete pot. $24 for those. So then this one here, guys, is also in that faux concrete. Those are $15. So then over here you have the outdoor summer tablecloths and the placemats along the bottom. The tablecloths are $4.50. The towels over there, let's take a look. $6, but you get 2, so it's like $3 a piece. So you get that style, says Sweet Summer, and then you get that print. This one says Tropical State of Mind, and then you get that print in the back. So the tablecloths here, they're vinyl, and those are $4.50. And the placemats, guys, they come in these colors, and these are $1.50 for those. Then you have these buckets. Do you see the size of this bucket, guys? I hope you're getting a good look at the size of that bucket. Wow. Okay, I can't turn that over, guys, to see. But you have the white buckets. And these are bowls. Are these bowls, guys? Look at these little tiny buckets. They're so cute. I think they come in a pack. Yeah, they do. So there's no price on these. And look at this platter. So this, and these are melamine. That's $12 for that. And then these come in a set of 4. So in the same print, that is $6. I'm pretty sure all of them are $6. Yeah, $6. And then the plates, $6. So look at them right here. This is so pretty, guys. Isn't that gorgeous? $1.50. So these haven't been reduced yet. And you have some lace and some hula skirts. And look at this, finger puppets. And these are squirters. And then these are gliders. And there's lanterns. And then here is just some covers for your barbecue. And I think this is even like a tent, a curtain set for $119.99. And then if you come on this side behind me, you have the tumblers. This one says Bling Bling Day. Make it happen, good vibes only. Let me see how much one of these are. So they're each $5 a piece, guys. Let me see if the ones with the rhinestones, yep. All of those, guys, are $5 a piece. Then if you come one level down, closer to me, then these guys, each of them are $2.50 for this. And then the smaller one is also $2.50. Then these are glass, and these are $5. They're so cute with the flamingo straw. Then these are $2.50. So these guys, this set right here, each one is $2.50. And then this one here is also this set, $2.50. And there's the pitcher. Let me see how much the pitcher is. This is plastic, $7. I think that's a lot for that pitcher. Then you have these drink cups, $6 for 4 of them. Then here's the pitcher in the blue and the cups, and these are $5. This little dog cup, that's so cute, guys, $7. So these are also $6. So here's the set in the blue. And then look at the galvanized trays, guys. I'm absolutely loving it. So this galvanized bucket right here is $25. And then you have the tier tray, $25, and they come all the way down this way. So if we come up here, those trays, and they're round, galvanized metal, $15. So here they are like this. I think these are 12. So these triangular ones, well, this shape, I should say this shape ones, they're $12. And then they have this color. So they have the metal round trays, $12. And then this humongous one right here, guys, that's $15. Then this is the napkin holder. For the longest time, I didn't know that's what that was. I kept trying to figure out what it was. Thank goodness the tag was on it, because it doesn't look like it to me. I don't know. Maybe it's me. So here's the cake stand, galvanized metal, $15, guys. And here's the ice bucket for $18. That's cool. And then look at this with the gold trim, galvanized metal with the gold trim Look at that tray, guys, $12. And then you have the plastic bins along the bottom. And look at the size of these platters, guys. This is like one of my favorites, this one. So this is $14. I'm absolutely loving that size. I wish I could find something to do with it. That doesn't even fit in my house. I'm sorry, guys, it's getting late and I'm just like, so I get so funny and silly when it's late. That's how huge that tray is. This one is $14, but it's rectangular shape, and that's a different style. Now these are really pretty, guys. They almost look ceramic, but that's also melamine. So you get a set of 4 of these bowls for $6, which is really not bad. And then here's the little smaller ones for $7. And then the plates, look at that. I love this set, but I think I like the blue one better. And then look at this one. This is the succulent one. I get so excited, guys. I'm jumping everywhere. So here you got that style, and here's the plates, and these are all $6 for the set. So let's go around the bend here. Look what's in front of me. Guys, you see the size of that lantern? Let me see if I can get you a price. This humongous lantern, look at it, $50. Then you have the bicycle right here. These are planter, $79, guys. Lights. Okay, so let's go over here and see what they have. So they have some more of these trays up here. Those are $12. Then you have these storage bins. So this one is $20. So this size here is $20, guys. Then the smaller one is $14. Still a little pricey, but it is nice. So you have this set of 3, $12. Then you have that faux concrete wire planter. Those are $20, guys, and that's faux concrete. Then you have this welcome metal plant stand. Okay, those are $10 right here. And then that one right there is $22. And then here are the smaller faux concrete planters, wire planters, and those I think are reduced. Well, these are $14. I don't know what the original price was. Then you have some of those fairy garden figurines, $9. So this one is $9. Let's see how much the unicorn is. $8. And then you have them here, $16, $9. This one is $9. And then you have some fairy garden moss for $5, and then some other accessories over here for $6 and $8. Then you have that globe ball, guys. Isn't that beautiful? Here's the stands for them. So the stands are like $12, and this big one, the tall ones, are $16, and the smaller ones are $12. But look at these balls. Aren't they gorgeous? Look at that one. And then this one. I like this one, and I like this one, and I like this one. And look at these. Oh my God, they're called gazing balls. Birdhouse. So this birdhouse is $22, and I think it lights up. Yeah. Oh no, you hear that? That's the singing birds. How cute! And this is an animated singing bird. This is a toucan, guys. That is so adorable. Look at these birds. Oh my goodness, that's so cute. I think they're sound activated. Let me get out of here. So you have the dogs on the bottom. Aren't they adorable? So these metal dogs are $22. And here are the angels. Those are sound activated, guys. Wow, they're so cute. $14 for the dogs. There's a little French one, and here's the gnomes. So I think the gnomes are probably the same price. Those are $14. And here are the angels, guys. So these angels are $8. And those up there, the welcome gazing ball over there, is $15. So over here you have some security lights. The stake ones are $26, and those are pretty nice, guys. Then you have this kind here, and this kind, that's $30. Then you have this one, $14. So they have different kinds of those. And then look at this. This is a flower cross stake. That's pretty. That's $20. I don't think that was here the last time I was here. So look at these mushroom steaks, guys. Those are $14. I think that's reduced. was 25% off the original price. Okay, so this, I think, let me see. I like the color of that pot. That's $8. And then this one right here, guys, is $8. So these are 4. So these guys are almost gone. Okay, so you have along here, you have some more of those. Let's see what's on the end here. So you have some, this is the leftover summer stuff, guys. $14 for these hangings, these decor pieces. That's $14. And then this one, let me see, You Are My Sunshine, that's $15. And look at the camper, guys. So the camper, $14. And look at this one, it says garden. So I don't know, guys, it almost feels like that's it. The summer's already on its way out, and then you have Welcome Home with the bicycle. Isn't that beautiful, guys? I love this piece. So this is $15. The fishnet on the bottom, and that's $14. And then you have a whole big bag of the landscaping seashells, guys. These seashells are $14. And you have this relax sign, that's $9. Then you have this Life is a Beach, and I think that lights up. LED, $10 for these. They have 3 left. And then they have this one for $14. And here's the conch for $10. This one here is $12. This one here is $7. This one here with the mermaid, I love you to the beach and back. That's so cute. So that one, guys, let me see if I could, that's $9 for that one. And this one here, I like this one. It's not pretty in the shadow boxes. That's $14. And this one here is $14. And then that, look at that welcome sign. I don't even dare look at that one, guys. Let me see if this sign, let me see if I can turn it. Okay, so that one is $26 for that sign. Then you have, okay, you have this one here that says Beach Bar for $14. This one here is $12. And then this one here, guys, let's see, $14 for that one. Then you have this one for $14. This one is $12. Then you have that one, and that's $12. Then you have this one, drop anchor with the one you love, and that's $7. And here's the anchor for $12. Then you have the wind chimes for $14, and here's some towels, guys. They're 25% off. So I don't know if they're actually marked down. So it's $8, 25% off. So guys, thank you for coming with me to Big Lots to take a look at their home decor, and I will see you in the next video.